What if every line of code was reviewed the moment it was written? That's exactly what pair programming does, and it's more connected to code reviews than most developers realize. In pair programming, two developers share a single workstation. One types while the other watches, thinks, and reviews in real time. This creates a continuous code review baked directly into the development process itself. Unlike traditional reviews that happen after the fact, pair programming catches problems immediately. Wrong assumptions, logic errors, and code smells get flagged before they're ever committed. Both pair programming and code reviews share the same core goals: better code quality and fewer defects reaching production. But here's where they diverge in practice. When developers pair regularly, formal code reviews become shorter and faster, sometimes even optional. The code arrives pre-reviewed, cleaner, and already understood by more than one person on the team. Both practices are powerful tools for knowledge sharing. Pair programming spreads context organically during development, while code reviews create documented feedback that the whole team can learn from. The key trade-off: pairing demands two engineers fully present at the same time. It's more intensive up front. Code reviews are asynchronous, letting each person contribute on their own schedule. Pair programming is continuous code review in action. Both practices drive quality and collaboration, just with different timing and costs. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.